Yes.
Everybody's hands should be raised.
Yes.
Yes.
We all practice.
And how'd it go? Anybody practice a short game?
And two.
Did you?
Played 18.
Okay.
Nice.
All right. How'd it go?
Excellent.
What'd you shoot?
86.
86. Not bad. That's pretty good. Have it. Shame on you. Shame on you. Where'd you play? What'd you shoot? 90? Okay.
Embarrassed now.
Embarrassed? Embarrassed or what? So you just hit some golf balls?
No, I played 3 games. I played Tana Farms. It's a hard course.
Okay.
And I played twice at the Royal Fox.
Cool. What'd you shoot?
I put 102, 105. Best one was 101.
Okay. Not bad.
Yeah.
So a little bit of improvement there.
Oh yeah, I was in the 109s, 108.
Okay. So that's great.
Yeah.
And I always encourage everyone, even if you're not the best golfer, keep score. Okay, it's a good way to see if you are improving. Keep track of all that. Okay, so always keep score. 9 holes, 18 holes, whatever it is. So as you were playing, what would you feel like you needed improvement on? What could be a little bit better? What part of your game though? Short game, irons, fairway woods.
Chipping was not as good as I would like to see it. Fairway woods are probably.
Okay. Fairway woods, chipping a little bit. Putting?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like 3 woods.
3 wood?
Yeah.
Okay. Off the ground? Okay.
I actually did pretty good on my woods up until the last 2 games. I was very good on my woods, and then the last 2 games I was topping it, and I don't know why. I've never had that problem before. I kind of relied on my because I use a mini Bertha, which is like a smaller driver, so I do like 210. You know.
Okay. So like a 3 wood or a 5 wood?
So I usually hit my 5 wood really good, but I was topping it. I don't understand why.
So you're topping it? Okay. Now we're going to cover today, what we're going to do most of the day is we're going to cover the fairway woods and the driver. Okay, so we'll incorporate some of the things that we've already been talking about as far as, the laws and the principles, and we'll work on your swing a little bit. And we'll incorporate some of the things that you need to improve into your swing so we can get you hitting those and getting those a little bit more comfortable while you're on the golf course. And also getting you thinking about a few things as you are out on the driving range hitting some golf balls. Okay?
Fair enough.
So any questions about chipping? I know we did chipping last week. Any comments, any questions about it?
I don't know why, I'm still, what do they call it, a fat, I hit the ball behind it.
So you're hitting behind the golf ball?
Yeah, and I don't know why, and I'm going forward, and I don't understand why.
Okay, so what tends to happen when you start to hit behind the golf ball a little bit, especially when it comes to your short game, if you kind of resort back to what we were talking about, what are the only 2 body parts that you want to move when you're making a chip shot?
Shoulders and the arms.
Shoulders and arms, okay? So just from experience, as individuals start to hit behind the golf ball, they start to incorporate too much of their hands. Okay? So anytime the head tries to get in front of the hands, that causes the bottom of the arc of the swing to take place too quickly, and you're going to start hitting those heavy shots hitting behind the golf ball.
Gotcha.
Okay? So chances are, as you're going backwards and forwards, you're just trying to do too much with your hands. Okay? So if you can work on, remember, the hands in relation to the head or the club, where do we want that to be at all times? In front. Okay, so all that's taking place is your club is trying to get in front of the hands there, and that's happening because you're trying to do a little bit too much probably with your right hand. Okay, so focus a little bit more on the shoulders and the arms. Right. Remember, when you're done with your swing, we're trying to get that club face to point where?
Towards the target.
Towards the sky.
Oh, towards the sky.
Okay, so remember, try and get that club up to the air or up to the sky. Okay, if you're starting to use your hands, where's that club face going to be pointing if we're using our hands too much? It has to be more left of our target. Okay, so that's what's happening. Any other questions or comments?